What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Today we don't have a how-to video. I just simply need a little bit of feedback from you guys. I'm finally going away on holidays, so we're going away for about 2 weeks over to Greece and Turkey. I've never been there, very excited to go. I haven't actually been on holidays, my wife and the kids as well. We haven't been anywhere for about 8 years now. Been stuck in the rat race, working away, trying to get somewhere. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying all the videos that I've been putting out. They do take a lot of time, but hopefully it's something that's been beneficial to you guys. So my question to you guys is, I'm going to be taking my camera there anyway. I'm going to be recording anything of interest, anything that I see over there that I like or you guys may be curious about. I've heard a lot of funny things about Turkey. Something I'm a bit curious about is apparently they charge for going to the toilet if you're using a public toilet. So I find that a little bit interesting. Living here in Australia, toilets are everywhere and they're free. So anything of interest, I'm going to be uploading anyway. I've got 2 YouTube channels, another one that I've recently opened up, and that other YouTube channel was just going to solely be for anything that I do as a hobby. So anything that I do on the weekends, any camping, fishing, hunting, anything outdoorsy, even holidays or any other new destinations that I'm going to be exploring. So my plan was to put everything on that channel, but I thought I'd put it out to you guys. Are you guys actually interested in seeing that stuff? If you are, I might upload it onto this channel rather than the other channel, or I might actually do both. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. The last time I traveled, my son was really young and he drove us crazy. We went 19 hours to America and he was pulling the ladies' hair in front of us. We got a lot of dirty looks. He was screaming and crying, so hopefully we don't go through that again. Hopefully you're all enjoying the videos. Let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.